Hello everyone and welcome back. In this lesson we're going to switch gears a little bit and I'm going to show you how to use the merge tool, which is more of a data management tool than an analysis tool. But it comes in handy and can fit into your analysis workflows sometimes when you bring data together from multiple data sets. So the merge tool is a tool that lets us take multiple feature classes and merge them into a single feature class. And it works really well when you have feature classes that have similar attributes because they align really well, but you can also do a field mapping in order to assign attributes from one table to the same attribute in another table or a different attribute in another table and have them show up in the same field. So let's take a look. In this case, we have our Valmeyer parcels that we used in the previous class for the final assignment. So we have the new location of the town over here and the old location of the town over here. Now, right now these are separate feature classes, and so if I wanted to do some sort of analysis on both locations, I'd have to do it twice, once on each feature class. Well, if I use the merge tool, I can merge them into one feature class and run the same analysis on that merged layer just once. So in ARC Toolbox, to find the merge tool, it's under Data Management Tools, and then it's under General. And down here, I get the merge tool. And if I double click to open it up, I can select my input data sets, so I'll just drag and drop these. And I'm going to call it Valmeyer parcels merged. And down here we get a field map, which you've seen before with spatial join, but we can select which fields from each table go in which attribute name. So new Valmeyer parcels .min elevation is here, as well as old Valmeyer parcels .min elevation is in here. And if I had some other fields to add, I can add them right here and specify it, again, just like we did with spatial join and selecting merge rules. So cancel that out, and we'll leave all this as the default. If you merge features that have the same attribute table, it'll be smart and put everything in the right spot for you. If you have features with different names in their attribute table, that's where you're really going to want to use this field map to make sure that you get the right values in the right spots. Okay, so once I have my input data sets and my output data set name, I just click OK as I usually do. And down the bottom, it's going to merge. And then when it's done merging, I get my feature class in the table of contents, and I can see that I have one feature class that has both of these now. So I can turn off the other two, and I still see all this data in the feature class. And if we really wanted to confirm, I could look at the attribute table and see that there's 641 records, and in the new Valmeyer parcels there are 480, and in the old Valmeyer parcels there are 161, so that aligns nicely. That's 641 parcels. So I know that I have all the records from both, and I can start looking through the attributes to make sure everything looks right again if I wanted to. Okay, that's really all there is to this tool. As I said, it's really useful when you're getting data from multiple sources, or when you have different copies of the same data covering different spatial extents and you want to bring them together for a single analysis. One use case is when downloading data sets that have been split up because they're for really large regions. So they give you subregions that are downloaded in chunks, and maybe you want to bring them all together because you're analyzing the larger region again. Well, you can extract those from wherever they came from and then use the merge tool to bring them together into a single data set for using again. Okay, that's it for this lecture. In this lecture, I showed you how to use the merge tool to bring together two or more feature classes into a single feature class. I hope you find this tool useful, and I'll see you next time.